Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you a new nail polish of the week color. But first up, I want to start off with clean nails and apply my base coat as usual. You can use any base coat you like. Even like if you are doing your nails at the same time as you're watching this video, that would be like so cool, like nail polish inception, you know? But just go with the base coat of your likings, and always remember to cap off the edges as well. Not only if you have longer nails, if you have like way shorter nails, just make sure that you cap off the edges. It just makes sure that your manicure lasts a longer time and you have less chance on tip wear or chipping and all that jazz. I'm just using one by Essence as usual. I'm still working through this bottle just to make sure I've used up every single drop of it. I still have a ton of other base coats to try out, some backups as well of some base coats that I really like. And yeah, just something I want to put out there. Just open 1 or 2 base coats at a time because they do dry out a little bit and you don't want to waste any product. So once your base coat is fully dry, I am going to use a polish by Teeez, and I think I've had this polish for like 8 years already. And this one is Out of Control. It's number 01. It is a purple holographic color, but the holographicness is like so hard to capture on my camera. I don't know why that is. Like in video it's really hard to show you, but on photo it gets like way more clear and you can really see the rainbow in this, like the rainbow shift. But yeah, it actually is a holographic purple, which is a color you don't see that often. Like usually holographic colors are like the silver holographic, like the traditional one. You see those like the most, but this purple color, also the brand Teeez wasn't sold where I live, so I actually had one of my blogger friends back then actually get this polish and 2 other holographic polishes from the Teeez collection, and she actually sent them out to me, so thank you so much for doing so. I'm still really happy about those polishes, and I still use them, as you can see, even after like 8 years, and 7 or 8 years, I can't remember exactly, but I was already a beauty blogger. I've been blogging for over 9 years now. So yeah, it still works. So that's another like example of polishes that are quite old but still work like a dream. It all has to do with the way you store them. I've mentioned this in a ton of my other videos, but if you want to know how I store my polishes, just look up my nail polish collection video and you will see how I store them. But yeah, you just want to apply this color to your nails, or whatever color you want to use if you are doing your nails at the same time while watching this video. I think that's like really cool. I get a ton of like comments like that as well, like, I love doing my nails while watching your videos. I think that's like so cool. And just it really builds up a community, if you know what I mean. Like I really like that. I love doing my nails while watching other nail videos as well. So yeah, I just really like that, and I'm really happy that I can inspire you guys to actually pick up some polishes and do some nail art, or just to do your nails. But this first coat of that Teeez color is still a little bit sheer, so I definitely want to make sure that it's fully dried before I go in with my second layer, because the super shimmery like holographic polishes like these tend to pick up the first layer if you go over it while it is still a little bit like wet or not hardened out enough. Like for example, if you have applied your first layer but you've only waited like 2 minutes instead of 5, it's still a little bit tacky. And if you would go over it with the nail polish brush, it tends to pick up a little bit of that first layer. Like I feel that's pretty hard to explain, but everyone who's used like metallic polishes or something like that definitely knows what I mean. So you don't want to apply too roughly, just have a really light touch with the second coat if you're a little bit like scared, like I was, to actually have some like bald patches or anything like that. Just have a really light hand applying that second layer. But with the second layer, it is like 99% opaque. You could choose to just go in with an extra layer, but that's totally up to you. So just continue applying your polish. Because this is an older polish, I'm like almost completely sure this one won't be available anymore, but I do know that there are a ton of beautiful purple polishes out there, whether they are holographic or not. This is just a beautiful medium purple. I'm not quite sure how much these were. I think they were like 80 euros or something. They were a little bit like higher than drugstore prices, in my opinion. Like a drugstore priced nail polish to me is not more than 6 to 8 euros. If you go over that 8 euros, you're not like drugstore friendly anymore, if you know what I mean. But yeah, you guys know me, I really love to use my Essence and Catrice polishes, and those are no more than like 2 to 4 euros, so that's like way cheaper already. But the quality is always great, by the way. That's also why I always use an Essence base coat and a Catrice top coat. You see me using that Catrice top coat here. This is like the more thin, watery one, the quick dry high shine one by Catrice. It is in its old packaging, but you know me, I don't like wasting products, so I'm using that one up first. And it just gives a really lovely shine to this purple manicure. I really, really love this color. And yeah, I don't know, I just have a weak spot for purple tones as well. Like I love my pinks, but purples come close in, like on second place. I think it's really, really pretty. And yeah, as you can see here, the manicure is already fully done, and I am going to show you what it looks like in the sunlight as well. I really hope you can see just a little bit of the holographicness in there, but as I said, for my camera it was really hard to actually pick it up, so I will just try to share some photos on Instagram as well, just to show you how sparkly and holographic it actually is. But yeah, here you can see me showing the polish in sunlight again. I don't feel like you can really see a lot of the holographicness. Like, it isn't just a little bit holographic, it has a lot more like rainbow sparkle in there than the camera actually picks up. But yeah, that's just something I really can't help. I can't adjust my settings or something like that, so sorry about that. Just check out my Instagram to see more pictures of this one. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and yeah, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.